Hello, my friends! Let's take a look at how I use Zephyrus Force for scalping. Pay special attention to how I leverage the power of the two cloud bands that Zephyrus Force provides. I'll set the target for this buy order at the nearest resistance level provided by the system, with the stop placed below the 76.4 Fibonacci level. If the price breaks through the trading zone, the likelihood of a reversal is high, and we'll look for new opportunities. And this command I have reached target. After this signal, the price moved aggressively. If I hadn't strictly followed my scalping rules, I might have caught a bigger move. But rules are rules, no exceptions. The next buy signal has appeared. I set the target at the upper cloud band when entering the trade, and it has been reached. And right now, I'm trading in real time. This is not a playback. You can see that my account is connected to a live data. Up to this point, I've successfully executed 5 consecutive winning trades. The next buy order also has its stop placed at the 76.4 level, with the target set at the nearest resistance level. At this point, I noticed the price breaking through the uptrend line for the second time, so I decided not to take this buy trade. And it turned out to be the right call. I avoided an unnecessary loss. Personal analysis and trading experience play a crucial role in making the right decisions. The next sell order got stopped out because the stop was too tight. This is something that can never be completely avoided in trading. But at the very least, in many situations, it helps protect your profits. The next buy order was set with the target at the upper cloud band, and it hit the target. Similarly, the next buy order was placed, continuing to leverage the power of the cloud band as the target. Next, a buy order was executed, with the target set at the upper cloud band. Looks like today is a feast for buy orders. So far, 11 trades have been executed, with 1 loss. I could stop here to protect both my capital and mindset. But I'll break my rule and continue trading so you can see more. I missed a sell order while showing you the trades, and I'll share the result with you. But it's all right. Trading is all about discipline, so I'll stick to it. When the price starts moving towards the upper cloud band in a downtrend, it triggered a sell down order to capitalize on the market's downward momentum. The next sell order was correct, but it got stopped out because the stop was set too low, preventing the trade from hitting the target. However, there's no regret. I'm maintaining absolute discipline. The next sell order was a loss, but it wasn't a significant one. This is the power of maintaining discipline in trading, always minimizing risk to the fullest. The next sell order was executed, but it was a price action pullback signal. Therefore, I set the stop at the resistance level and the target at the lower cloud band. The next sell order resulted in a small loss, which is inevitable in trading. That's why respecting trading discipline is key. It protects you from unnecessary risks. Next, let's take a look at a buy order. I executed with a target of over 100 ticks to cover the previous losses. The reason I was confident in taking this buy trade is that after observing the 1-minute chart, I noticed signs of price increase. Additionally, the prior downtrend had been going on for quite a while, making a strong upward move to rebalance the price highly likely. Next, I'm skipping this price action buy signal because the lower cloud band is sloping downward, meaning the price is more likely to continue dropping. When trading price action signals, always be cautious. Avoid buy orders when the lower cloud slopes down sharply, and avoid sell orders when the upper cloud slopes up strongly. Similarly, you can clearly see that although a signal appeared and the price initially moved up, it eventually dropped. Even if the price does rise, entering this trade could create psychological stress. That's why it's best to stay out to protect your trading mindset. Next, I won't be trading in these areas because the trend is shifting continuously, indicating market instability. I only take trades when the trend is clearer. And from this point on, I only executed buy orders. In my final buy trade, the price kept hugging the upper band while forming multiple bearish reversal candles, but each was immediately rejected by bullish reversals. This showed that the price was determined to stick to the upper band. I took a sell trade when this pattern repeated twice in a row, and it hit the target instantly, an ideal setup for scalping. This is an insight and experience I'm sharing with you so that you can spot more trading opportunities even when the system doesn't generate a signal. And after reaching my desired profit, I stopped trading. My drawdown was only 1/3 of my total profit, and my profit factor stood at 2.6, with 23 trades, 18 wins, and only 5 losses. And in today's video, I used EOB ordering to execute trades faster. When you apply the discount code below this video, you can get Zephyrus Force and EOB ordering a package worth $2,192 for only $836. But remember, this offer is only valid when you use the discount code in this video. I'll be back with more real-time trading tutorials. Happy trading!